So we are going to discuss cash management application interview questions. These are all questions posted by different top MNC companies as a regular question. The first question, what is the cash management? Simple. Cash management is the major application in Oracle EBS&Fusion to track cash related activities like bank statement upload, reconciliation, cash positioning, cash forecasting, external transactions, opening balance, closing balance as well. Which level cash management will work? I can say legal entity plus BU level. While creating the cash management bank account, you will assign the legal entity first, then business unit. Tell me the cash management setups, very basic setups, bank name, branch name, bank account, bank accounts, internal bank accounts. Other setups we required, we will go and do the different setups like manual reconciliation related setups, automatic reconciliation related setup, cash positioning, forecasting. What are the prerequisite setups to implement cash management? We already discussed. Payment option level, select the accounting, issued and cleared. Receipt class level, you can mention remitted cash option and clearance method by matching. You have to enable to do the accounting for AR application. Tell me how many ways we can do reconciliation. 2 ways. Very basic things. Since EBS, Fusion, manual and automatic. How many types of bank statement formats are there? We already released the video and we uploaded video. But let me explain. Mainly BAI2, then shift and 40. So each bank will have the different formats. Based on that, we will be finalized. Tell me automatic reconciliation process. Banker will provide statement to us to client. Client upload bank statement and do the reconcile. Automatic process. How many KFFs in cash management team? Any KFFs in cash management?
No.
No. Right. I think something wrong. We don't have the KFFs. How many KFFs in cash management? We don't have. Did you work on bank account transfer? You can explain if you have the knowledge. See, example, we have the Arabindo company. Arabindo using ICICI Bank account, current account, company regular funds transfer account, and HDFC. Sometimes ICICI to HDFC, HDFC, ICICI, we can do transfers that you need to track in Oracle Cash Management. We can do bank account transfers. We need to do separate setups for that. What are the key setups required to implement? As I mentioned, like business unit should be there, legal entity should be there, and legal assignment to the primary ledger, balancing segment value, payment payment option in the AP, receipt class method bank account in the AR. How do you reconcile between cash management to GL? We will have the report, reconciliation report. We will compare the cash balances every month. Tell me cash management entries we discussed. When payment clearing time and receipt clearing time. Payment clearing time, cash clearing debit, cash or bank credit. Ship time, cash or bank debit, remitted cash credit. How many types of bank accounts in cash management? Internal bank account for clients. External nothing but customers, suppliers, employees. What are the roles required for cash management? I'm asking you.
Cashier and cashman.
Yes, sir. Cashier and cash manager, right?
Yes.
Okay, correct. Did you work on the cash forecasting position? If you have knowledge, okay, you can explain, otherwise you can ignore it. Right. Can I open the period for cash management? No, we don't have option. Can I close the period option? No.
Mm.
Can I define multiple bank accounts under one legal entity? Yes, sir. We got this question. Can we define one bank account for one legal entity? Yes. I have 4 legal entities and 1 BU. I want to define legal entity wise bank account. Yes, we got this question recently. Can I use one bank account for payable and separate bank account, receivable separate account? Yes. Can I use the one bank account for APR application? Yes. Did you read any time reconciliation? You can say yes. Anyway, they are giving the format, right? Banker is giving the format. We should read it. Tell me some reports in the cash management. Important reports. Bank statement report, cash in transit report, and this is very important report to identify transaction. Cash to general ledger reconciliation will run every month and to do reconciliation. Right. Tell me period end activities. We will do complete the reconciliation and do the accounting with the transfer to G. Simple. Can I override cash account at bank account level? Yes, but it is high impact. What are the mandatory setup to do multi-currency invoices receipts for cash management? Enable multi-currency at bank account level, internal bank account level. How do you record bank charges, bank interest like external transactions? That should be recorded through codes and entries. Can I control bank account for user-wise restriction? Yes. Let me go to environment. We already released the one video now. That is the new feature and compare it to EBS. Go to setup and maintenance. Go to cash management, bank accounts. If you go to bureaus in India, business unit taxes, okay, then security. User wise, role wise, BU wise. Recently we got this question. Can I assign one bank account to only one user for restriction? Yes, new functionality. Can I do for role wise? Yes. Business unit wise common. Yes, you can do. What is the significance of netting bank account? Customer as vendor, vendor as a customer. If you are doing any netting transaction, we can go on and we will define separate bank account for netting. Then you can enable we can see netting option. If you want to do multi-currency, enable this. How do you record opening balance closing for cash accounts? Based on the transaction codes mapping, we will be record the opening and closing balance that should be matched to the GL trial balance. Can I unreconcile which is reconciled as I tested many times in CBS. Can I void the reconciled payment? Unreconcile and void the payment. Then accounting will be impacted. You reconciled, example, cash clearing debit, cash credit. When you unreconcile, cash will be debited, cash clearing will be credited, then your payment will back to negotiable status. What is parse rules? That is one of the critical setup in bank statement reconciliation to read the each field movement. Tell me some external transaction. Very simple. Bank charges, interest. Can I do account from cash management? Yes. You can do, or you can run from AP and AR for cash transaction to be accounted. Who will provide bank statement to client? Banker. Then who will run the bank statement? Cash management user. How many ways we can upload the bank statements? Scheduled program, daily, or manual upload. New functionalities in Fusion. As I mentioned, business unit access majorly. Okay, role-based access control, transfers access as well. What are the issues? We can see accounting issues majorly. Next, I can say reconciled issues, and we don't expect more issues like APR. We can expect a reconcile related, unreconciled, invalid records. Can I do manual journal entries reconciliation management? I think so, yes. We got this question. Did you upload any data migration? We don't have much data migrations. Sometimes client may ask it. Latest month bank statement upload as per legacy, we can upload and reconcile. But we don't encourage that one because it is already reconciled transactions only, we will take it. How many ways we will upload? Already we noted this one. Cash management rules also we discussed. Right. So if I go to environment, let me show the some important points. If you go to bank statements, cash management, these are all required. Go to all tasks, we can see profile options, DFF if required, transaction codes. These are all setups we discussed in the automatic reconciliation time. And what are the setups we required? Payment instrument, cash positioning report. Right. Clear? Right. So let me go to GL. Manage. Subledger application, cash management. manage accounting method. These are all basic things which we should know now as a consultant. Cash management. Okay. So cash management, we can see the event class, sectional transaction to do accounting. AP final entry, AR final entry, default from subledgers only. Manage subledger accounting option. So these are all event classes import from cash management. First one, external transaction like a bank charges and interest, adjustment entries, third party merges. While importing, you can bring the proof by general ledger date, general ledger period, switch debit credit. Every module we need to understand the system option, accounting option. Okay, right. These are all setups we will do, configure in the cash management. Can I implement Oracle? Can I implement Oracle Fusion or EBS without cash management? Yes, we can. But they won't do bank statement reconciliation. They will do manual entry creation, final entry, cash clearing, debit cash, cash debit remitted cash that will be entered in the GL module and as a manual journal entries. Then let me show one more important point. FBDI templates in financial. If I go to cash management, you can import the bank statement through FBDI template. You can do the reconciliation also, cash positioning also, external transaction. Recently we got this question. Did you upload bank statement through FBDI template? We got this question. As a functional consultant, each application wise, we need to understand what are the templates are there, see bank account amount as well. And one more point, many students may have the doubt how to upload bank accounts, right? If you see here, bank account payment document is right. If you go to here, manage bank accounts, this is the search name. Okay. Through rapid implementation, we will upload bank names. See, create banks, branches, accounts in spreadsheet. We got this question and I have 100 internal bank accounts as a global implementation. How do you upload bank names, branch names account through rapid implementation sheet? Remember, very, very important. But supplier bank accounts, we have the separate FBDI template to be uploaded. Let me explain. Simple. See, cash management. Let us take our client Borosil. Example, we have 10 bank accounts, 10 internal bank accounts, like HDFC, ICICI, Axis, or Bank of America. Then you can upload through rapid sheet, rapid implementation sheet, only Fusion, right? Then I have the supplier bank names, branch names, accounts. Bank names, branch names, we should upload first. Then bank accounts, we will upload through a PDA template. Remember this one. So if you go to a PDA template, okay, let me show the one of the critical point today, payable. Okay, supplier bank account important. Many times we got this question. How did you upload supplier bank accounts? See, this is supplier bank account. This is comes under payable. Remaining supplier profile comes under procurement. See, bank name, supplier side. You have to give some BU name, supplier name, supplier number site, then assign the bank account. Clear? Supplier bank accounts. Right. Then supplier bank account assignments. Payee bank account, this one. We will discuss in the data migration time. Right. These are all majorly which we need to understand. Clear? Right. Coming to customer. If you ask me, customer bank accounts. Right. Go to receivables. When you go to upload receivable, upload customer bank. Within the sheet, it is available. If you downloaded from the environment instance also, see, right? Right. Customer bank accounts, bank names, branch names. First we should upload. Then customer bank accounts will done through a BDA template or spreadsheet. Clear? So that we need to understand, but you have to take active data we should upload.